Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset BMW iX. Start by powering the vehicle off and waiting 30 seconds, then power it back on to clear transient faults. If that fails, access the iDrive settings, navigate to System, and select Reset or Factory Reset when appropriate. Always save personal profiles first and disconnect accessories before a full reset to avoid data loss and unintended behavior in driving aids. When your BMW iX screen freezes, try a soft reset by holding the infotainment power and volume buttons for about 10 seconds until the display restarts. This clears temporary software hiccups while keeping your profiles and navigation data intact. It is quick, safe, and often resolves audio, Bluetooth, or display issues without complicated steps. If the problem returns, record any messages shown and proceed to a system or battery reset next. For persistent errors, a hard reset can help and may involve disconnecting the 12V battery for several minutes to clear control modules. Be cautious, wear gloves, and secure the car to prevent shocks or short circuits. Once power is restored, the vehicle may need time to relearn sensor positions and network modules, so drive gently for a short distance. If issues persist, contact a dealer or certified technician for advanced diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.